Howdy everyone, welcome to Prana, your 7-day yoga journey. It's day 6. Can you believe it? Let's get started. All right, friends, come into a comfortable seat. And today, just dropping right in. Whatever you have experienced thus far in the day, we will honor it and we will put it aside just for now. And whatever is on your to-do list or plans for future, we will honor that too. And also just put it aside for now. And as you come into your comfortable seat, maybe closing the eyes here, allow yourself to just drop in. You can even say, I choose to drop in. And the best part about this invitation, this exercise, is you can't do it wrong. So you're dropping in with whatever you got, whatever's going on today. Pain in the neck, tension somewhere in the body, anxiety or worry, an ache in the heart, a feeling or a sense of joy, a taste of inner peace. Dropping in to observe what is. If you haven't already, let's begin to gently deepen the breath. And then we can bat the eyelashes open. And nice and slow, we're going to move in a circular direction here in our seat. So I really like to use my palms here to activate these kind of middle energy points, these middle chakra points, to really find a good articulation in the spine. And then reverse your circle, take it in the opposite direction, forward, around, back. Syncing up breath and movement. And then coming back to center. Let's take some slow circles now with the nose. You can even imagine you have a little marker on your nose here and you're drawing circles. And if it feels good, those circles can slowly get a little bit larger. Keep breathing. Larger. And then reverse the circle. Maybe starting large. And then allowing the circles to get smaller and smaller and smaller till you're back at center. Super duper important breath technique we're gonna do here now. I like to call it horsey lips. So you're gonna inhale in deeply, exhale through the lips like so. Twice more. Inhale. Last time. You can add a little sound if you like. I gotcha. I knew you would look. Okay, let's come to all fours. Take the knees wide, send the hips back. Child's pose. Now we're going to take this in a circle. So take the shoulders to the left. Inhale, heart forward. Exhale, shoulders to the right, hips back, moving in your own time here. Lots of circular motions here before we tap into the core. Reverse the circle. Lovely. And the next time you're forward, let's come to tabletop position. If the wrists are a little tender, you can do this next exercise on your forearms, but let's start up on the hands. We'll curl the right toes under, just the right toes under, and extend the right leg out long. Take a second here to get a little calf stretch as you rock front to back. Maybe trying to press into that right pinky toe. And we're not collapsing, we're not dumping into the hands here. We're really pressing away from the yoga mat. So a good way to check that, if you want to look at me for a little demo, is if you're collapsed in the shoulders here, use the hands to press and lift up, lifting, 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 finding that space in the shoulder girdle. Okay, from here, we're going to lift the right heel up high. Pad that left knee if you need to. And we're going to take it all the way out to the right hand side. Here we're going to invite our oblique muscles to turn on. Draw the navel in and up. And then draw a big rainbow all the way up and back. Trying to keep weight through both palms, evenly distributed. Take your right foot towards the left side of your mat. That's our dance. Inhale, reach it up, trying to keep the palms, the weight in the palms evenly distributed. Try to keep the pelvis as stable as possible. That's going to turn on those low abs and the obliques. Moving nice and slow. Maybe spreading the right toes. Hello, glutes as well. Hello, muscles of the arms, the abs. Neck is nice and long here. Let's do one more. Whew. And then send the right leg out long. You're just gonna kiss your right knee to your right elbow. Mwah. Send it back out. Kiss right knee to right elbow. And one more time. Contracting the abs. And release. Let's sit back on the hips. Take a second here to roll the wrist a couple one way. Got excited. And the other. And let's take it again to the other side. Curl the left toes under, send it out. Take a moment here to rock a little front and back. Hi, Benji, sweet guy. Stretching through the calf. Getting our blood flowing. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna lift the left leg. Press into both palms evenly. Hug the low ribs in. Take the left foot all the way out towards the left side of the mat. And then inhale, reach it all the way up. Try to keep pressing into both palms evenly as you take it over to the right side of your mat. And moving with your breath, gaze can be straight down, maybe slightly in front of your mat. Actually, that depends on where you are in your mat, but gaze can be down and slightly ahead of you. Slow and steady, controlling the movement. Think about drawing your waistline in, the muscles of the low abs in just a bit. Don't stress about it too much, just a little bit of awareness there is great. One more time. And then bring the left leg back in. 3 times, we got this. Inhale in, exhale, left knee kisses left elbow, contract through your core. Inhale, kick it out. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale. Last time, contract the abs, knee to elbow, and release. Beautiful. Now we're gonna come onto our backs. Get off those hands. Take a second to get settled on your mat. And let's take a full body stretch here to start. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up and overhead, extend the legs out long. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, hug everything in, knees to chest. Good. From here, we'll extend the left leg out long, but see if you can allow it to hover here. So we're already inviting the muscles of the core to turn on. Inhale in and exhale. Maybe you lift your head, your chest, your shoulders. Stay here, big breath in. Exhale, switch. Inhale in, switching on the exhale. Exhale, switch. Big inhale in, relax the shoulders. Exhale, switch. Now you can stay here to take this up a notch. We'll straighten the legs. Inhale in, exhale, switch. So we're moving here with one knee bent, one knee straight, or we're extending both legs with the inhale in between. And now last option, to take out that inhale, moving a little bit faster. And release. Benji's so cute. Relax the head down. Just take a breath. Notice how you feel. Feel that warmth. I just saw a hawk fly out the window. Take it as a good sign. And release the fingertips. Bring them behind your sweet head. Just take a moment here to open up through the chest, open up through the shoulders. Then we'll lift the right knee, coming into tabletop position with the right leg. So right shin is parallel to the ceiling or the sky. And then connect to your core from center. Bring that left knee into the picture. If the low back is fussy, bring the knees closer to your face. If you're wanting more of a challenge, really work to keep the shins parallel and take the toes away from your face, away from your body. Find your sweet spot for today. Inhale in. Exhale, we're going to take the shins, try to keep the knees exactly where they are in alignment with your hips as you rock over onto your right hip. So try to keep the knees in the same plane here. And then use your core to bring it back to center. And let's tick-tock it over to the other side. Same thing. Try to get that right knee up and lifted in line with the left. And then back through center. One more time to each side. Back to center. And last side. Hello, low abdominals. Keep the legs where they are when you come back to center. Inhale in, exhale, lift the head, the neck, the chest. Keep the elbows wide here. Trying to lift up at the shoulder blades. Good. Take your left armpit chest over towards your right knee. Extend your left leg out long. Inhale in. Exhale, bring everything back to center. Knees in tabletop, chest lifted. Right elbow or right armpit chest is better actually. Reaches towards the left knee. Extend the right leg out long. And then bring it back to center. Repeat. Extending the left leg. Left elbow or armpit towards the right knee. Come through center and take it to the other side. This is it. This is our final minute here. So moving with your breath. Inhaling as you come through center. Exhaling to find the twist. If it becomes a little too much, you can take the extended leg out of it and just work left to right. Crisscrossing back and forth. Good. Even it out. Then keep the head lifted. Reach the fingertips forward. Extend one leg, any leg. Keep the heart lifted. Bend it back in. Extend the other leg. Keep the heart lifted. Bend it back in. And then release everything. Nice. Beautiful. Bring the feet as wide as your yoga mat. Allow the knees to fall to the right and keep them there. Allow your hands to come to your rib cage or your belly, whatever feels best for you today. And breathe here in this stretch. option to cross the right ankle, the right foot over the left thigh for a little deeper stretch. And then release that, bring it on through center. Allow the knees, again, feet are as wide as the mat. Allow the knees to fall to the left, same thing. Really drawing the right knee towards the bottom left corner of your mat. Maybe taking that left leg across just to deepen the stretch. Find what feels good for you. Come back to your breath. I am in connection with all things through love and kindness. Release that. Extend the legs long. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead, full body stretch. And exhale, allow the arms to fall gently at your sides or place your hands gently somewhere on your body. Quiet your breath. Take one more moment here for yourself. That'll do it. Bring the palms together. Great job, everyone. Thumbs to third eye. Way to show up. We have one more day of yoga practice. Do not miss it. I look forward to seeing you for day 7. Till then, take good care. Namaste.